Class 6, Computer, Chapter, Logo Primitives. All questions and answers in one short video. Logo Primitives. 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. Which logo command is used to move the turtle forward? A. BK. B. RT. C. FD. D. LT. Answer C. FD. 2. What does the RT90 command do in logo? A. Moves the turtle forward by 90 steps. B. Rotates the turtle 90 degrees to the right. C. Rotates the turtle 90 degrees to the left. D. Moves the turtle backward by 90 steps. Answer B. Rotates the turtle 90 degrees to the right. 3. The home command in logo does what? A. Clears the screen. B. Moves the turtle to the center of the screen. C. Hides the turtle. D. Ends the program. Answer B. Moves the turtle to the center of the screen. 4. Which command is used to clear the graphics window in logo? A. CAs. B. HT. C. Sent. D. PU. Answer A. CAs. 5. What is the full form of CAs in logo? A. Clear start. B. Clear screen. C. Cursor stop. D. Computer screen. Answer B. Clear screen. 6. Which logo command is used to turn the turtle left by specific angle? A. RT. B. LT. C. FD. D. BK. Answer B. LT. 7. What is the function of the CAs command in logo? A. Clears the screen. B. Moves the turtle home. C. Hides the turtle. D. Stops the turtle. Answer A. Clears the screen. 8. Which command hides the turtle from the screen? A. Sent. B. HT. C. CAs. D. BK. Answer B. HT. 9. What happens if we use PU in logo? A. The turtle moves but does not draw. B. The turtle stops moving. C. The screen clears. D. The turtle draws continuously. Answer A. The turtle moves but does not draw. 10. What does the send command do in logo? A. Stops the turtle. B. Shows the turtle. C. Saves the program. D. Sets the turtle speed. Answer B. Shows the turtle. 11. Which logo command is used to make the turtle turn right? A. LT. B. RT. C. FD. D. BK. Answer B. RT. 12. Which command is used to repeat a set of instructions in logo? A. Home. B. Repeat. C. CAs. D. Exit. Answer B. Repeat. 13. If we write BK60, what will happen? A. The turtle will move forward by 60 steps. B. The turtle will turn left by 60 degrees. C. The turtle will move backward by 60 steps. D. The turtle will turn right by 60 degrees. Answer C. The turtle will move backward by 60 steps. 14. Which command brings the turtle back to the center of the screen? A. PU. B. Home. C. HT. D. Sent. Answer B. Home. 15. What is the correct syntax to repeat a command 5 times? A. Repeat 5, FD50 RT90. B. Repeat 5, FD50 RT90. C. Repeat 50, 5 FD RT90. D. 5 repeat FD50 RT90. Answer A. Repeat 5, FD50 RT90. 16. What will FD100 RT90 do in logo? A. Move the turtle forward by 100 steps. B. Turn the turtle right by 90 degrees. C. Move the turtle forward and turn it right. D. Move the turtle backward and turn it left. Answer C. Move the turtle forward and turn it right. 17. Which command will make the turtle move without drawing? A. Pen down, PD. B. Pen up, PU. C. Clear screen, CAs. D. High turtle, HT. Answer B. Pen up, PU. 18. What will the command repeat for FD 50R90 do? A. Draw a triangle. B. Draw a circle. C. Draw a square. D. Draw a straight line. Answer C. Draw a square. 19. Which logo command is used to erase everything from the screen? A. HT. B. Sent. C. CAs. D. PU. Answer C. CAs. 20. What is the use of the wait command in logo? A. Stops the turtle permanently. B. Stops the turtle for a specific time before the next command. C. Makes the turtle move faster. D. Ends the program. Answer B. Stops the turtle for a specific time before the next command. 21. What happens if you use the command LT180? A. The turtle turns left by 180 degrees. B. The turtle turns right by 180 degrees. C. The turtle moves forward by 180 steps. D. The turtle moves backward by 180 steps. Answer A. The turtle turns left by 180 degrees. 22. What does pen down, PD, do? A. Lifts the pen up. B. Stops the turtle from drawing. C. Puts the pen down so the turtle can draw. D. Moves the turtle backward. Answer C. Puts the pen down so the turtle can draw. 23. Which command will turn the turtle to the right? A. LT. B. RT. C. FD. D. BK. Answer B. RT. 24. If you want the turtle to turn 360 degrees in steps of 45 degrees, how many times should you repeat RT45? A. 4 times. B. 6 times. C. 8 times. D. 10 times. Answer C. 8 times. 25. Which of the following commands will make the turtle draw a straight line? A. RT90. B. LT180. C. FD100. D. Repeat for FD50 RT90. Answer C. FD100. 26. What does the command RT70 do? A. Turns the turtle left by 270 degrees. B. Turns the turtle right by 270 degrees. C. Moves the turtle forward by 270 steps. D. Moves the turtle backward by 270 steps. Answer B. Turns the turtle right by 270 degrees. 27. How can we make the turtle disappear from the screen? A. Sent. B. HT. C. CAs. D. PU. Answer B. HT. 28. Which command will make the turtle go back to the center of the screen? A. Back 50. B. Home. C. CAs. D. Exit. Answer B. Home. 29. What happens when you type FD 100 BK50? A. The turtle moves 100 steps forward, then 50 steps backward. B. The turtle moves 50 steps forward and 100 steps backward. C. The turtle moves 150 steps forward. D. The turtle turns right by 100 degrees and moves backward by 50 steps. Answer A. The turtle moves 100 steps forward, then 50 steps backward. 30. If you write RT360, where will the turtle be facing? A. To the right. B. To the left. C. To the same direction as before. D. Upside down. Answer C. To the same direction as before. 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. The underscore command moves the turtle forward by a specified number of steps. Answer FD. 2. The underscore command turns the turtle to the right by specified number of degrees. Answer, RT. 3. The underscore command is used to turn the turtle left by a given number of degrees. Answer, LT. 4. The short form of backward in logo is underscore. Answer, BK. 5. The underscore command clears the screen but does not move the turtle. Answer, CAs. 6. The underscore command hides the turtle from the screen. Answer, HT. 7. The underscore command shows the hidden turtle on the screen. Answer, sent. 8. The underscore command moves the turtle to the center of the screen without clearing the drawing. Answer, home. 9. The underscore command lifts the pen so that the turtle moves without drawing. Answer, PU or pen up. 10. The underscore command puts the pen down so that the turtle draws while moving. Answer, PD or pen down. 11. The underscore command repeats a set of instructions a specific number of times. Answer, repeat. 12. The command repeat for FD50RT90 is used to draw a underscore. Answer, square. 13. The command repeat 3 FD50RT120 is used to draw a underscore. Answer, triangle. 14. The turtle starts at the underscore position when logo is opened. Answer, center of the screen. 15. The underscore command pauses the turtle's movement for a specified time. Answer, wait. 16. The command RT360 will make the turtle face the underscore direction. Answer, same as before. 17. The underscore command is used to exit logo. Answer, by. 18. To make the turtle move backward by 40 steps, we use the command underscore. Answer, BK40. 19. If we want the turtle to turn left by 90 degrees, we use the command underscore. Answer, LT90. 20. The underscore command is used to draw shapes automatically without writing multiple commands. Answer, repeat. True or false? 1. FD50 moves the turtle forward by 50 steps. True. 2. BK30 moves the turtle forward by 30 steps. False. It moves backward. 3. RT90 turns the turtle right by 90 degrees. True. 4. LT180 turns the turtle right by 180 degrees. False. It turns the turtle left. 5. The CA's command clears the screen and moves the turtle back to the center. True. 6. The PU command allows the turtle to continue drawing while moving. False. It lifts the pen so the turtle moves without drawing. 7. The PD command lowers the pen so the turtle starts drawing again. True. 8. The send command hides the turtle from the screen. False. It shows the turtle. 9. The HT command makes the turtle disappear from the screen. True. 10. The home command moves the turtle to the center without erasing the screen. True. 11. The repeat command is used to execute the same set of instructions multiple times. True. 12. Repeat for FD100RT90 will draw a rectangle. False. It will draw a square. 13. Repeat 3 FD50out20 will draw a triangle. True. 14. Wait 10 will stop the turtle permanently. False. It pauses the turtle for a short time. 15. FD100BK50 will move the turtle 150 steps forward. False. It moves 100 steps forward and then 50 steps backward. 16. The RT and LT commands can only turn the turtle by 90 degrees. False. They can turn the turtle by any angle. 17. The clear screen, CA's, command erases the screen but does not change the turtle's direction. True. 18. The repeat command can be used to create patterns and shapes. True. 19. The buy command is used to exit the logo application. True. 20. RT360 will make the turtle face in a completely new direction. False. The turtle will face the same direction as before. 1. Short answer questions and answers. Question 1. What is logo? Answer. Logo is a computer programming language used for drawing and educational purposes. It uses a turtle to draw shapes and lines based on commands given by the user. Question 2. What is the function of the FD command? Answer. The FD, forward, command moves the turtle forward by a specified number of steps. Example, FD50 moves the turtle forward by 50 steps. Question 3. What does the BK command do? Answer. The BK, backward, command moves the turtle backward by a specified number of steps. Example, BK40 moves the turtle backward by 40 steps. Question 4. What is the use of the RT command in logo? Answer. The RT, right turn, command turns the turtle right by a given number of degrees. Example, RT90 turns the turtle right by 90 degrees. Question 5. How does the LT command work? Answer. The LT, left turn, command turns the turtle left by a specified number of degrees. Example, LT45 turns the turtle left by 45 degrees. Question 6. What is the function of the CAS command? Answer. The CAS, clear screen, command clears the entire screen and moves the turtle back to the center. Question 7. What is the HT command used for? Answer. The HT, hide turtle, command hides the turtle from the screen so that only the drawing is visible. Question 8. What does the send command do? Answer. The send, show turtle, command makes the hidden turtle visible again on the screen. Question 9. What is the function of the home command? Answer. The home command moves the turtle back to the center of the screen without erasing any drawings. Question 10. What is the difference between PU and PD? Answer. PU, pen up, lifts the turtle's pen so it moves without drawing, while PD, pen down, lowers the pen, allowing the turtle to draw as it moves. Question 11. What is the purpose of the repeat command? Answer. The repeat command is used to repeat a set of instructions multiple times, making it easier to draw shapes and patterns. Example. Repeat 4, FD50 RT90 draws a square. Question 12. What will the command repeat 3, FD50 20 do? Answer. It will draw a triangle with sides of 50 steps and angles of 120 degrees. Question 13. How do you make the turtle turn in a complete circle? Answer. You can use repeat 36, FD10 RT10 to make the turtle draw a complete circle. Question 14. What is the wait command used for? Answer. The wait command pauses the turtle's movement for a specified time before executing the next command. Question 15. What happens when you type RT360? Answer. The turtle turns right by 360 degrees and faces the same direction as before. Question 16. What is the function of the buy command? Answer. The buy command is used to exit the logo application. Question 17. How do you draw a square using logo commands? Answer. You can use the following command, repeat 4, FD50 RT90. Question 18. How do you draw a rectangle in logo? Answer. Use the command, repeat 2, FD100 RT90 RT90. Question 19. What happens if you write FD100 BK50? Answer. The turtle moves forward 100 steps and then moves backward 50 steps. Question 20. What is the starting position of the turtle in logo? Answer. The turtle starts at the center of the screen, facing upwards.